Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you also for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please, before you leave, please make sure you hit the button subscribe down below, and please turn notification bell on, super duper important. Today guys, I'm going to be coming up to you with blouse haul. I'm going to be trying out some blouse for you guys. I tried them off camera already when I bought them, and I decided also to share with you guys. I'm super obsessed with these blouses that I got. I think I only have one long one, but other than that, the rest are short hand blouse, because now we have summer. So yeah, we want to put on something that we are going to be comfortable with. No need. As always, the link to all the items I'm going to be trying on in this video, they're going to be in the info section below. Please do go and check it out. And I really want to appreciate you guys on my previous video. Thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested, you want to see the blouse that I got, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And if you do like this, thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, don't forget, as always, don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Take care, ciao.
Full steam through the setbacks. You can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat. Where I need to be for the first time. Taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway. Cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel? Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway.